In today's video, I'll show you how to unintegrate WhatsApp from your Tidio account. If you no longer need WhatsApp connected or want to reset the integration, this process is quick and simple. Start by logging into your Tidio dashboard. From the main menu, go to Settings, then click on Channels. This section shows all the platforms currently connected to your Tidio account. Inside Channels, find WhatsApp or WhatsApp Manager and open it. You'll see a list of phone numbers that are currently linked to Tidio. Each number represents an active WhatsApp connection. Next to the phone number you want to remove, click the delete or trash icon. Tidio will ask you to confirm this action to prevent accidental changes. You may be prompted to enter your account password as a security step. Once you confirm, the phone number will be removed and WhatsApp will be successfully unintegrated from your Tidio account. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've disconnected WhatsApp and taken control of your communication channels again. If you face any issues, Tidio support can help you troubleshoot.